Hi, I'm Thiyam Akuvan. I'm the founder of Akumen Artificial Intelligence. We are into assistive devices using cutting-edge technologies like computer vision, AI, ML technologies, etc. So what we have currently built is it's a device for the visually impaired people. So this has a camera and this has a LiDAR sensor as well. So what it does is the camera captures the surrounding of what in front of the visually impaired people, and there are speakers on either sides of the temple. So our algorithm analyzes what are there in front of them and it gives out speech output so that the visually impaired persons are aware of the surrounding. So the idea came to me because of my uncle who was diagnosed with a genetic illness called retinitis pigmentosa. So by the age of 45, he totally lost his vision, but he was still a medical professor and he used to take the classes of his students. He used to review thesis of his students, taking bulky devices from one place to another. So at that time, I was working as an avionics engineer, and it occurred to me, why not make a device very small, which will help the visually impaired people do accomplish tasks just normal like just you and me. So that led to the development. I left my job and I started full time into this development. So what we have achieved so far, it's inclusion is not only about the visually impaired people, but also for the people who are both visually impaired people and who are from the Northeast. So we could achieve that through the integration of Bhashini ecosystem, whereby we support local languages like Manipuri, Assamese, Khasi, etc. So for example, if a visually impaired person who was not able to receive formal education, so doesn't know English, for example, they can speak to the device, and it has a mic. The device is a mic, so he can speak in Manipuri and he can ask "Ayi imang da karile." So that means what is in front of me. So the device captures the image and processes it and gives out the output in Manipuri language itself. So this, we definitely think that it will empower the visually impaired people from the Northeast, and not only Northeast but throughout, India. And this device, which is indigenously built and designed. So we have started with many iterations. So the iteration which I'm holding right now is a 10th iteration. So we started with a bulky one attached on the side of a spectacles. But as we reviewed, as we had taken interviews from the real users who are visually impaired people, they did not want to make it very obvious that they are wearing a device. So they have constantly asked for a device which is very discreet enough and all the electronics embedded inside the sunglasses. So this is where we have come about, and we believe that this product from the Northeast, designed and developed in the Northeast, will not only help the people of India but throughout the world. I'm very fortunate to be a part of this hackathon. So here I got to see many startups who are working on technology domain. We could network with them. We could get to know what technology they are developing, and also this gives a sense of collaboration in the future where we can take services from one another. So I really believe that, and also the support given by NER hackathon through the 5G labs, I think it will definitely make our devices or make startups like us to go a long way. Thank you.